Hello, sir. We are at Mobile World Congress 2016 at Intracom booth. Nice to see you here again. What do you bring new for the small cells solutions?
Well, our theme this year is for two things: mobility and smart connected societies. So we have two main products to show this year. One is the small cell portfolio, the StreetNode product, which is now enhanced also for the US market with FCC compliant products. And also this year we are announcing the next version of our Ultralink E-band product, which will allow up to 10 gigabits of capacity. Right now our product offers 3 gigabits of capacity, and we see that moving forward for the 5G networks, which are coming in probably 4 to 5 years, we have to be prepared, and that's why we're putting this R&D effort together from now on. The StreetNode product, the small cell backhaul product, is really a toolkit, and it is unique in the industry because we offer at the same time microwave and millimeter wave, which means in the layman's terms, low frequencies or high frequencies. We have a software-defined radio architecture, which allows us to use exactly the same hardware in many different ways, accommodating any topology inside the cities. I have to stress that this technology is meant to be deployed inside the cities. This allows operators, like Telecom, for example, in Romania, to deploy capacity, a lot of capacity for data service for smartphones at the level of the street, without wasting resources which are important for telephone calls, for example, which is the macro cell infrastructure.
If you compare the latest version of the solutions, yes, with this one, what are the results? What are the plus of this new version?
The new version, I'm referring to the Ultralink version. This is, there is a tremendous increase of the capacity. From 3 gigabits, now we will be talking about 10 gigabits of capacity. This is leading worldwide capacity. And most important, the 10 gigabit is a real front haul solution. Front haul is important for 5G. It allows BBUs and remote radio heads to connect through radio instead of just fiber. And with the support of CPRI interface of higher order, beyond CPRI 6, we can do this, and it is very much real with our products. So this is the major step forward. Regarding the StreetNode, the importance, the new feature is that for the millimeter wave product, we have now 128 QAM of modulation, which is the leading modulation scheme in the industry at this frequency, at the 60 gigahertz. Whereas for the microwave frequency, the 28 or the 26 gigahertz, the improvement in the capacity, whereas last year the version was for 900 megabits, now we are 1 gigabit capacity out of a microwave radio, which is again the leading in the world.
How do you prepare yourself for the next 5G step?
We are preparing ourselves with the Ultralink product, with a high capacity and the CPRI interface.
You also have the international perspective, and you mentioned before the US market. Yes.
Exactly.
What differences or similarities you see between the European and the US market from your technical perspective?
There are differences and there are similarities. Similarities are in terms of the frequencies. In the US, 28 gigahertz is used, like in Europe, for example. Also the 60 gigahertz. Nonetheless, in the US, the demand for small cells is much more strong than in Europe, simply because the 4G infrastructure in the US is more advanced than in the European environment.